Google Chrome now officially supports Bing Chat, making it available for all customers on Windows, Mac, and Linux, with expanded support for other browsers on mobile and desktop coming soon. Bing Chat has been out for a few months now and has been attracting attention from various market segments. Seeing the popularity of its latest chatbot, Microsoft also updates it with new features, such as image creation through text, on an intermittent basis. However, up until now, Bing Chat has only been officially supported in Microsoft's own Edge web browser and via an integration with SwiftKey. Vivaldi has been spoofing user agent strings to impersonate itself as Edge and leverage Bing Chat, but no browser except Edge has been officially supported, up until now. As spotted by NeoWin, Microsoft has quietly published a blog post stating that Google Chrome now supports Bing Chat too. This is something that the Redmond tech firm teased earlier this month and began testing with select users as well. However, it now appears that its testing has been successful as the company has decided to make the chatbot available for all Google Chrome customers on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Notably, mobile platforms are still not supported, but Microsoft says that expanded support for other browsers on mobile and desktop is forthcoming. Microsoft's recent test included Safari users too, so it's possible that Apple's browser is next in terms of wider availability. That's not all, though. Bing Chat Enterprise with enhanced security is now rolling out for Edge Mobile too. Users can leverage it by simply logging into Edge through their work account. Additionally, SwiftKey users can now utilize 30 turns each day to converse with Bing Chat, without needing to sign in using a Microsoft account. Finally, in an update not directly related to Bing Chat, Microsoft has boosted its Bing search templates through generative AI technologies to use space more efficiently and cut down on content duplication. You can give the new design a whirl here.